handlers are used to keep room air fresh. They use both recycled air from indoors and fresh outdoor air. These systems remove low-quality indoor air from enclosed spaces. This air is then mixed with outdoor air and passed through an air filter. The air is then heated or cooled with a heat exchanger before returning indoors. The air handler requires the use of several control components to perform its function. These control components are fan monitoring controls, and the control board. Fan monitoring controls tell the blower fan of the air handler how to operate. Inputs are received from pressure switches in the air ducts. If the pressure is too low or too high, the fan monitoring controls will adjust the speed of the blower fan. The control board also operates on the blower fan. The control board instructs the blower fan to delay when switching between on and off. Delay is used when the system switches between heating and cooling. When a system swaps between heating or cooling, the remaining air in the vents will be the opposite of temperature of what is desired. The control board delays the blower fan so that remaining hot or cold air in the vents is not passed into a system that desires the opposite. We have just seen how the control board plays an important role by controlling the blower fan. Now we will see how the control board also controls the components of the evaporator and the metering device. Recall that some metering devices use electronic expansion valves rather than thermal ones. The air handler control board controls these electronic control valves. The valve will open partially or fully, depending on what the control board instructs. If the temperature set on the thermostat is far off from the measured temperature of the room, the control board will tell the valve to open fully. If the temperature is off by a small amount, the control board will tell the valve to open partially. The control board also controls the evaporator fan motor. If we are far off from our desired temperature, the control board will tell the fan to blow at high speed. Recall that the control board also operates off signals received from pressure switches. The control board will also know when air filters need replacement. By interpreting signals sent from the pressure sensors, the control board will sense when the air pressure is too low. Low air pressure is usually the result of a clogged air filter. We will now study the control components in the compressor.